ये स्क्रीन विजिबल है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. So, okay. Which was the last step we did of the problem? How much we covered in the last lecture?
Calculation of SFD and BMD for first and second,
Right.
first and third.
First and third
Flight.
flight. Yes, right.
Yes.
Okay. So, give me the values of shear force and bending moment. Anyone? Okay. SFD and BMD. I hope सबको मिल गया होगा. See, I told you that you have to do simultaneously with me in this subject. Okay, so it's a huge subject, so we cannot afford to give so much time to one topic. Okay. So first loading is done, right? And then SFD and BMD, anyone got?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Just tell me yes or no. Has anyone tried?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So give me the values.
So VU is 33.776
Okay.
and MU is 26.408.
Okay. Yes, anyone else? And just give me the confirmation.
Yes, sir. Right.
Right. Okay. So I have done that. So you can just have a look. If any mistake is, then you can let me know. Because even I can make mistakes. So I have done this step because we don't have much time. So those who have not done, they can just make a note of this. Okay. So calculation of shear force and bending moment. So this was for first and third flight, right? So you'll have to find out the reactions, shear force and bending moment diagram. Now, after that, the same step, check for flexure. Okay, so for the moment, you will have to check, and this D is coming out to be less than what we have provided. So hence it is safe in flexure. And then find out the main steel. Yes, main steel, anyone? Is this correct? Okay, main steel, anyone has calculated? Okay, we'll make a note of this. Yes, you can just mute yourself. Okay, so shall we proceed for the next flight? That is flight number 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
So
I
can
think
you
we
wait?
can do this.
So just a minute. Can you wait? We will note it
Okay.
down. I have calculated till SFD and BMD.
Okay. Yeah, please make a note of this quickly. Yes, you can mute yourself. Yes, Rohit, you can mute yourself. Okay, if anyone has any doubt in this, they can ask me. Otherwise, please note it down quickly. Yes, anyone has any doubt in this? Okay, so just pay attention. So in this, when you're trying to find out the value of x, okay, so you have to use these two similar triangles. Okay, so this whole thing is not similar triangles, because from this point to this point it is linear. Okay, so this is different. So this small triangle and this triangle you have to consider for similarity of triangles. So just make a note of that.
Done, sir.
Okay, so now after this, the next step is find out the distribution reinforcement. So make a note of that also. So distribution main reinforcement, when you find out, so you check that with minimum steel also, right? So minimum steel is 252 and this is 411. So your required steel is more than this. So we will use the required one. So let us assume 10 mm diameter bars, and I have calculated the spacing for 10 mm. So it is coming out to be 190, and the other condition is 3D or 300 mm, whichever is less. So therefore, I have provided 10 Tor at 175 mm center to center. So at the same time, it is better that you calculate the value of AST provided also, because this you are going to require when you check for shear. So this AST provided is coming out to be 448. Now after this, we'll find out, we'll calculate distribution reinforcement or secondary reinforcement. So distribution reinforcement is nothing but AST minimum. Okay. So AST minimum is nothing but 252. So let us assume 8 mm diameter bar, since the area is very less, and we'll find out the spacing for that. So it is coming out to be 199, and the condition for distribution reinforcement is 5D or 450 mm, whichever is less. So let us provide 8 mm at 190 mm center to center. So we got the main steel also and the distribution steel also. So the next step is check for shear. So in the check for shear, first we'll find out tau v, shear stress, so which is given by Vu upon Bd. So Vu is the maximum shear force, which is this, and D is the depth which we have provided. So this is coming out to be this much, and then AST provided we have calculated here, correct? So now we'll find out the percentage. So PT is nothing but AST provided upon BD into 100. So this is coming out to be 0.242. So now for M25 grade and percentage of steel this much, we'll have to find out the value of tau C. So tau C is given in IS 456 page 73. So from that table, from the grade of concrete and the percentage of steel, you will get this value. Is this clear, everyone? So now let us move on. So now basically in check for shear, what you have to do, you have to check this condition, tau v should be less than k into tau c. So you'll have to find out k. So you have got the value of tau c also and tau v also. So how to find out k? It depends on the depth of the slab. So what is the depth? Overall depth we have considered 210. So again, the value of k is given in the table in IS 456 page number 72. So for D 210, you will have to interpolate. For I think for D is equal to 200, you have been given some value, and D is equal to 220, you have been given some value. So interpolate and find the value of K. So it comes out to be this much. So then find out K into tau C is it is 0.4. So therefore tau V is less than K into tau C, hence it is safe. Okay. And after this check, we will go for the check for deflection. So deflection check is first find out the value of Fs, that is the stress. So this is given in page number 39. Okay, page number 39 or 37. So you will find this graph. So first find out the value of Fs. So this is AST required upon AST provided. So this is the main steel we are talking about. Okay, main steel का जो AST required है, that is 411, and AST provided है, it is 448. So therefore PT percentage we have already calculated. So now for PT percentage 0.242 and Fs is equal to this, from the graph we will have to find out the value of MFT. Can anyone tell me on which page number this graph is given? Okay, we have already done this in the design of slab.
38. 38.
38. Okay, ठीक है. So this is given page 38 IS 456. Okay, is this clear? So you got the value of approximate value तुमको एक मिल जाएगा MFT. So with the help of that MFT, find the value of effective depth. So if this depth is less than what we have provided, so then it is safe in deflection. Is this clear, everyone? So we have provided check for shear also, check for deflection also, check for development length. You can do it if it is asked in the question. Otherwise, it is fine. Now, design of flight 2. Okay, so design of flight 2. Let us see how to proceed for design of flight. So now tell me, for the flight 2, what is the thickness of the waist slab? Since we have at the beginning of the problem, I have mentioned that we will consider the same thickness of the slab throughout the staircase. So the thickness is 210 overall. Then load on the flight. Okay, load on the flight we have already calculated, which is 21.6, or load on the mid landing kitna hai? Half of that. So this is 10.8. Correct. So now can anyone tell me the loading diagram कैसे रहेगा इसका? ठीक है, done with this. Okay, so let us proceed to the next step. So the next step is calculation of shear force and bending moment. This is for flight 2. Okay, so this is for flight 2. So now the loading diagram is something like this. Okay, so if you consider the second flight, so starting में थोड़ा landing portion है, फिर flight है, फिर वापस landing portion है. Correct? So this is the landing portion is half of this load on the flight. So load on the flight is 21.6. So load on the landing is half of that. So now can anyone tell me what is this distance? ठीक है, distances बताओ मुझे quickly. Yes, am I audible, everyone? ये डिस्टेंस कितना है और फिर ये कितना है और ये कितना है? Yes, just look at the plan, you will understand.
तो सेंटर वाला 1.5 मीटर.
सेंटर वाला तो 1.5 है. परफेक्ट, करेक्ट. ठीक है, सो इसमें कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं है. सेंटर वाला 1.5.
1.615.
हाँ वो दो
Absolutely correct. Yes.
1.615.
Perfect. So this is 1.615. Others understood how 1.615?
और सो वो भी 1.615.
Yes. ठीक है, बाकी सबको समझ में आया 1.615 कैसे आया? If anyone has any doubt, you can ask. ठीक है, I hope you understood. ये center to center we are talking about. ठीक है? So if you include the thickness of the beam 230 जो है support, then you will get this value 1.6. So now give me the value of SFD and BMD. ठीक है, flight 2 we will analyze and design right now. So please be quick. ठीक है, इसका analysis. So first find out the value of the reactions V और VB. ठीक है, so पहले VA plus VB लिख लो, summation FY कितना आ रहा है total. फिर take moments about either point, then you will get the value of VB. ठीक है, simple. Yes, can anyone give me the values of V and VB? Because I don't have the values, you will have to give me. Yes. ठीक है, सिमेट्रिकल लोडिंग है, राइट, सो रिएक्शन सेम रहेंगे, एम आई करेक्ट? ठीक है, सो यहाँ पे ठीक है, सो देन दिस विल decrease something like this, and this will be linear, something like this. Okay, so this will be right at the center. Am I correct? So bending
So
moment will be
33.6.
maximum at the center only.
So VN VB 33.64.
33.64. Okay, yes, others just give me the confirmation. 33.64 Rohit is saying. 33.64 kilonewton. VA is 33.64 kilonewton. Yes, anyone else has calculated? Okay, so this is 33.64. 33.64. What about this value at this point? Shear force at this point?
16.198. 16.198.
16.198. 16.198. Others just check what is saying is correct.
VA plus VB 64.28.
60.
67.28.
Okay. Chalo. So now give me the value of the maximum bending moment. Okay, so give me the value of maximum bending moment. So this is your SFD. This is your BMD. Okay, you can use the chat box. Others, please solve simultaneously with me. Okay, so your practice will be done in the lectures only. Others can use the chat box to answer. You can write the values, what maximum bending moment anyone. So after this, what is the next step? Check for flexure. Okay, so whatever mu you got, mu is equal to 0.138 FCK BD square or Fe415. Yes, can anyone give me the value of mu?
46.32.
46.382.
32.
32. Okay, so and Vu, it is 33.64 kilonewton. Okay, so mu is 46.32, 0.138, FCK is 25, I think, and B is 1 meter. Give me the value of D now.
One 115.87.
115.87 mm. Okay, so this D is less than what we have provided, so hence it is safe. Okay, so check for flexure is done. What is the next step now? Yes, what next?
Yeah.
Reinforcement.
Reinforcement. So
Main
calculation of main steel. Calculation of main steel. So AST is given by 0.5 FCK BD upon Fy 1 minus under root 1 minus 4.6 mu upon FCK BD square. So this is 25. D is 185. 1 minus 4.6 mu कितना है 46.32. FCK is 25 and D is 185 square.
743.409.
743.41,
409.
let us say. So we got the value of AST required. ठीक है, so now let us check with AST minimum. ठीक है, AST minimum जो पहले था वही रहेगा. कितना था AST minimum?
252.
0.12% BD, 252, right?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, so now let us select a suitable diameter. So now tell me what diameter to select.
8.
8.
So
Steel
for
कितना है?
minimum ना.
We are finding out the steel, main steel ना. Spacing for the main steel find out कर रहे हैं ना अपन.
10.
10. ठीक है, 10 तो हमने फर्स्ट और थर्ड फ्लाइट में कंसीडर किया था, तो उधर एरिया बहुत कम था, 411 था. अभी तो एरिया ऑलमोस्ट डबल है ना, तो हायर डायमीटर एज्यूम करेंगे. सो लेट अस एज्यूम 12 mm डाया बार. ओके, 12 या 16 भी एज्यूम कर सकते हो. ठीक है, अभी 12 करते हैं. लेट अस एज्यूम 12 डायमीटर बार्स. सो देयरफॉर spacing is equal to, give me the value, upon 743.41. yes, कितना आ रहा है? 3D और
152.13.
152.
52.1.13.
152.13. so कितना प्रोवाइड करेंगे? therefore provide 12
125.
torr at 150 भी कर सकते हैं ना. ठीक है, बेसिकली इससे कम करना है तो 150 भी we can provide 150 mm center to center. ठीक है, so we got the main steel. so now next step क्या है? calculation of distribution steel. calculation of distribution steel. तो AST we already have 252. ठीक है, इसमें तो सेम रहेगा. लास्ट टाइम कितना किया था? so in this case you can directly write. ठीक है, लास्ट टाइम ऑलरेडी assuming, बताओ लास्ट टाइम कितना था? assuming 8 mm diameter bars. let us provide. yes, tell me. पहले ऑलरेडी कैलकुलेट किया है ना? 8 mm torr
Yes, sir.
at how much?
170.
175.
75.
ठीक है, तो you can directly write here, no problem. so assuming this we are providing, so we got the distribution steel also. okay, which page you're talking about? main steel. ठीक है, मेन स्टील. ठीक है, यही है सेकेंड लास्ट पेज. मेन स्टील के बाद वी आर फाइंडिंग आउट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन स्टील. यस, व्हाई साक्षी, रोहित, शेख, इमरान, व्हाई आर यू अटेंडिंग सो लेट? वी आर ऑलमोस्ट एट द एंड ऑफ द लेक्चर. शेख, इमरान, रोल
अटेंड
नंबर
कर रहा था
50.
लेकिन अटेंडेंस अभी डाला. ठीक है इमरान सर.
तो ओके ठीक है, सो बीच में अटेंडेंस मत डालो, एट द एंड या फिर एट द स्टार्ट।
सॉरी सर।
ओके, सो व्हाट नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट स्टेप? ठीक है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हो गया, मेन स्टील हो गया। ठीक है, चेक फॉर शेयर जैसे लास्ट टाइम बताया था, सेम चेक फॉर शेयर, सेम, मतलब यू हैव टू डू इट। एंड उसके बाद चेक फॉर डिफ्लेक्शन। ओके, सो चेक फॉर शेयर, चेक फॉर डिफ्लेक्शन, फिर चेक फॉर डेवलपमेंट लेंथ भी कर देना एक ही बार। चेक फॉर डेवलपमेंट लेंथ। ठीक है, सो दिस इज फॉर यू, दिस इज होमवर्क फॉर यू, सो यू विल कंप्लीट दैट, जैसे मैंने लास्ट प्रॉब्लम में बताया। ठीक है, सो आफ्टर दिस नाउ लेट अस ड्रॉ द reinforcement detailing। ठीक है, सो प्रीवियस साइड यही है शौरभ जी। ठीक है, मेन स्टील के बाद वी आर फाइंडिंग आउट दिस डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन स्टील। ठीक है, दिस इज द shear force and bending moment, this is check for flexure, this is calculation of main steel। ओके, उसके बाद डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन स्टील, मेन स्टील इतना प्रोवाइड किया है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ये चेक्स है जो तुमको करना है। एंड आफ्टर दिस लेट अस गो फॉर द रीइंफोर्समेंट डिटेलिंग। ठीक है, सो नाउ टेल मी रीइंफोर्समेंट डिटेलिंग कितने फ्लाइट्स वी विल शो?
2।
करेक्ट। ठीक है, सो 1 और 3 के लिए एक और सेकंड के लिए एक। ठीक है, सो लेट अस जस्ट सी द प्लान, रेफर करो प्लान, और फिर उसके बाद में लेट अस ड्रॉ दी। ठीक है, जस्ट ड्रॉ दी फिगर। ठीक है, सो ये है 1 और ये है 3, राइट? सो इट इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द प्लिंथ बीम, सो प्लिंथ बीम से स्टार्ट होके सपोर्ट पे जा रहा है, सो वैसा तुमको बनाना है। Okay, so now give me the reinforcement in the first flight। ठीक है, सो ये थोड़ा सा इसको एक्सटेंड कर देना मिड लैंडिंग के हिसाब से। सो reinforcement will be, main reinforcement will go like this।
सर पेज थोड़ा सेंटर में लो ना सर।
Yes. Now, is it visible?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So this bottom steel like this. ठीक है, so इधर से इसको भी you can take like this. So now give me the values.
So this is wall, no?
हाँ हाँ ठीक है, जो भी सपोर्ट है वो सपोर्ट में रीइंफोर्समेंट जा, तो अपने केस में वॉल है तो वॉल में जा रहा है. ओके. सो डेवलपमेंट लेंथ किधर से आएगा, ये जो जॉइंट है इधर से, यू कैन से दिस इज योर एलडी. ठीक है, और ये भी तुम्हारा एलडी. नाउ टेल मी हाउ मच इज दिस मेन स्टील कितना
सर ये
है.
जो नीचे वाला एलडी वो भी जॉइंट से ही होना चाहिए ना फिर. तो ये जो अपना बीम है, प्लिंथ बीम, यहाँ पे भी जो जो
ये वाला
डेवलपमेंट है.
जो बता
हाँ
रहे हो.
हाँ सर.
हाँ तो ये भी तुम इधर से भी बता सकते हो, नो प्रॉब्लम. ये जॉइंट से ही है. ठीक है, क्योंकि एक्चुअली इसको स्ट्रेट लेते हैं, तो इधर मैंने स्ट्रेट लिया ना, तो इधर स्ट्रेट लेंगे तो ऑलमोस्ट इतना हो जाएगा. अगर कर्व कंसीडर करना है तो इतना ले सकते, चलेगा. सो गिव मी दिस स्टील कितना प्रोवाइड किया है. ये मेन स्टील अरे मेन स्टील का वैल्यू कितना प्रोवाइड किया है, तो राइट हियर. ठीक है, दिस इज फ्लाइट. I think only 3 minutes are remaining, so be quick. Flight, oh sorry, 1 and 3. ठीक है, तो ये फ्लाइट 1 and 3 है. फ्लाइट 2 अभी बताओ मुझे, फ्लाइट 2 कैसे रहेगा. ठीक है, so only 3 minutes are remaining, 2 minutes. ठीक है, so यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे लैंडिंग पोर्शन है, फिर फ्लाइट है, फिर लैंडिंग है. इज दिस क्लियर. तो पहले लैंडिंग, फिर वापस लैंडिंग. ठीक है, सो दिस इज योर फ्लाइट 2. दिस इज योर फ्लाइट 2. ठीक है, इसका स्टील ओके, और यहाँ से बॉटम से ओके.
सर अगर इसमें वॉल दिखा दिए दोनों साइड में तो भी चलेगा ना, वॉल के
हाँ
अंदर पे
चलेगा,
डेवलपमेंट लेंथ.
चलेगा चलेगा. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे सपोर्ट है तो दिखा दो इसको, क्योंकि उधर ही जाने वाला है स्टील अल्टीमेटली. सो यू कैन शो हियर लाइक दिस. ठीक है, इधर नहीं दिखाया तो भी चलेगा, एक साइड दिखाएंगे तो भी चलेगा. सो दिस इज जो भी स्टील हमने डिजाइन किया है, सो जस्ट मेंशन दैट. ठीक है, तो ये मेन स्टील है और ये सब distribution steel. So this is your complete problem of an open wall staircase. Okay, so in the next lecture, we will start with the next module, that is design of floor system. Okay, is this clear, everyone?